We got a snow squall warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a snow squall warning for central Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
Recognized warning.
in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern North.
Doesn't have that alert code on the.
Until 11:45 a.m.
We got a snow squall warning.
A dangerous snow squall was located along a
We got a snow squall warning. WR300 didn't go off.
Bro, what?
Bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow.
12 to 16 didn't go off.
Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour.
Bro, my 262 is an 06. My 262 is an 06.
Travel will become difficult.
We got a snow squall warning. Let's go. This is rare, obviously.
Bro, I think snow squall warnings are rare, but they aren't really that rare here.
Yo, we got a snow squall warning. Let's
Bro, we know. Stop spamming that there's a snow squall warning.
Wow.
Oi.
That's crazy, dude.
Interstate 176 in
Bro, that's crazy.
mile markers 1 and 8. Locations impacted include
Bro, stop freaking out over a snow squall warning. I know it's rare, but
I know.
no need to keep spamming that there's a little.
I don't know if it's gonna be a double header.
It won't. Probably. Sleep it's on the weather.gov yet. Is it in New Jersey? Is it in New Jersey?
It went off on a recognized warning, the ER10 too, because it doesn't know it.
The reason. Do you really want me to tell you why it's going off? Why everything went off for an unrecognized warning? Do you want me to tell you?
No, I already know because it doesn't know it.
It doesn't. It's not a real code on the weather radios.
Even on the HH54VP too.
Well, there's the newer model, the EAS 55